Living in the Napa Valley is one of the greatest feelings that you have. You come to the valley to find a better life. My whole family work in the industry of restaurants. My kids grow up in here, my grandkids grow up in here. So for me, this is home. My career give me everything, and I think it's because we have people that come from different places. I thank the people that come to visit us.
A lot of my family works in the winery industry, so I've lived here my whole life. Because it's a community, we continue to help each other out and we continue to recommend one another. It's helped to benefit us all. Without wineries and hotels and restaurants, I don't think there'd be a lot of job opportunities, or it would be very limited to what jobs can be offered.
I love my job. I've been there for 34 years. I do everything with my heart and soul. Without the guests, we would have nothing. We'd be without jobs.
You know, it used to just be wine. Now they're starting to open up a lot more businesses that do all sorts of things. The tourism is responsible for almost all of that. You know, you get more tax money from that. There's not much of a drawback to having a better economy. I can't really think of any. It's better for everybody, all the way down from contractors, you know, people who aren't even in the tourism industry. Home values go up from there. All of that stuff is dependent on our economy, and our economy is really dependent mostly on tourism.
There's a lot more we can do for Napa. You know, I talk to other mayors and they go, Jill, I want what you have. You know, you have these, beautiful vistas, you have great hotels, you have great restaurants, you have people that come and go and leave the TOT tax behind so that you can afford things for your community. You know, that funding helps us pay for streets and parks and police and fire. It enriches us.
I've been in the restaurant business since I was 13. I want repeat business. I want someone new coming in going, we're going to tell all of our friends that's the place to be. And I hear that a lot.
You know, we rely a lot on people coming to the valley and supporting our valley financially. We all love working for our hotel and we want to make it better. We have over 15 employees that have been there for 10 years. From, the housekeepers to the front desk staff, to the concierge, to the sales departments. You speak to a lot of people in this town and 9 times out of 10, somebody's gonna be working at a restaurant or a winery or a hotel.
People need to pay bills. There's no tourism, we're gonna struggle here. People wanna see Napa Valley for what it produces. Great food, great wine. We need people to come in here and we need to retain that relationship so people want to come back and learn even more about our community, culture. The future for Napa Valley is limitless.